Ciao everyone, no recipe today, just a little gift from our garden because something rather beautiful has happened and I thought I would share it with you. A few weeks ago, Julie and I were all ready to rebuild our pergola. The old one had finally come down after about 25 years. The timber had been ordered and the works was due to begin. But nature had other plans. Right in the exact spot where the pergola was meant to go, a pheasant quietly decided that this was the perfect place to build a nest and lay her eggs. So quite simply, the project stopped. So we decided to leave her in peace and wait. For about a month, she sat there very patiently, protecting around 20 eggs. Every day we would quietly check from a distance, wondering how she managed to sit there so calmly for so long, day and night. But somewhere along the way, I decided that she looked like a Philomena. So Philomena she became. And then, just a few days ago, the eggs finally started hatching. Not all of them hatched, which I understand is quite normal, but many did. And here they are, little pheasant babies, little bambini, now wandering around the garden with Philomena, exploring the vegetable patch and occasionally helping themselves to things Julie would rather they left alone. But in all honesty, we do feel quite privileged. We do find ourselves keep coming outside 6 o'clock in the morning or in the afternoon, whenever, to keep making sure that she is okay and the babies are okay. And it is one of those rare moments where we actually need to stop and pause and appreciate what is around us. And the pergola project will continue very soon, and yes, it will be called Philomena. Anyway, I thought I would share this little moment with you. I hope you all are having a lovely weekend, wherever you are in the world, perhaps with a little sunshine, good food, and a quiet moment outdoors. Take care, and from all of us here, including Philomena's and the Bambini, ciao ciao for now.